guys, welcome to Smart Feast. Today we're going to make this delicious pineapple orange honey drink. And I added a little mint. This drink is so good and the smell is so tasty. So if you want this drink, go make it. Now let's go see our recipe. So for our delicious drink, we're going to need a big, ripe orange. And we're going to turn this into this. So cut your orange into quarters. Try and get most of the white off. And peel the skin off. So we're going to take our oranges and we're going to put them into a blender. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of sliced pineapple. Yum. I think this is a Hawaiian drink. You can add honey or sugar. 1 teaspoon. And I'm adding honey. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. A lot of people put honey, but if you want, you can put sugar. It's just that honey makes things even sweeter. And honey is much more healthy. Now we're going to add a little water. Then we put the lid on and blend into a delicious juice. So now we're going to pour our delicious pineapple juice into cups. So now our delicious drinks are ready. They look so good and the smell, scenty fruitiness. It's a Hawaiian drink. So do you want one? Make it. I hope you enjoyed these drinks as much as I do. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye!